Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on, as you can see, with Echo Park Hall. Now this Echo Park Hall is the mystery box. So I ordered this a couple of weeks ago. But of course one day, I think I ordered it like maybe the day that they announced it, the day that it was available. But they always tell you what day it's going to ship. So I knew it would be a minute because I ordered it as soon as it came out. So let's get started. I am going to, do I want to move the box or just do it like this? Maybe I'll just do it like this and then we can look at it together. So on top is a sticker book and it is Our Happy Place. So that's the name of it, Our Happy Place. And it's all tied together, but it's really springy looking to me. Could be fall with the oranges in it and the greens. But it's got the floral, so I'm guessing springy. Some alphas. Ton of stickers. So these sticker books have a ton. And I love the sentiments. So it looks like it repeats and you get two of each. Yeah. So nice sticker book. So that is Our Happy Place. I'm going to put that to the side. Here is the adhesive brads. And what is that? The Mercantile collection. I did not pick this up. This is kind of vintage, retro looking. And it is from Cartabella. But I do know somebody that has this. So I will probably put it in their box next time I send the box. So this one is Little Things Mean a Lot, and it is the frame and tags. And that's what comes in that one. Okay, here is another ephemera pack, and this is Have a Great Summer. And then that's what's inside of that collection. These are puffy stickers, Sweet Garden. And I don't think I've seen that one before. Cartabella. But I bet the paper is pretty. 2025. Okay, so I'm going to have to look for that to get some stuff to go with that sticker pack. This is Here Comes Spring. And this is some chipboard accents. So even if I don't have any of this collection, I could always use this on just spring projects. Here is another puffy stickers, and it is Let's Take a Trip. Echo Park, and it is 2024. Let's Take a Trip. Here is some chipboard accent. It is At Home. So I don't think I have this. Now, some of these that I don't have that I'm just not drawn to, I think I'm going to put them to the side and let them marinate to see if they grow on me. And because you could always destash or gift them out in Happy Mail or swap mail or things like that. So this is Have a Nice Day. And I don't know, but I'm thinking I might have the 6x6 to this. And this is the chipboard accents. Now this is, let's see, My Favorite Christmas. Don't know if I have that collection, but I know I do have these numbers. See, this is like an Advent number. And I have them in silver. So I am glad to get them in the gold. So So I got those. This is Santa Claus, and these are the decorative brads. So these feel like brads. The other brad pack was stickers, and it did specify that these are adhesive brads. So are these actually brads? Because it don't say adhesive. So probably so. But it is the Santa Claus collection. 2025. So that's probably a newer collection. Here is Dream Big Little Girl, and I do know that I do have something in this collection. So now I have the chipboard accents. Okay, we have a stamp and die set. And it just says Echo Park, so I don't know if it belongs to a collection, but that's nice. So you get these stamps, but you do get a die that is for the tree, the holly leaf, and then the stocking. So I don't see any other ones for these three. It would have been nice to have it for that one, but that's nice. Okay, now we're moving on to the paper. Here's another sticker book, Born to Travel. So this is a travel theme sticker book. The other one over here was Let's Take a Trip. So this is a different collection. Okay. So here is the 6x6 Born to Travel. So that's fun. And that's all the papers. You can see the prints there. So cute. Okay, Echo Park. Okay, so now I have Santa Claus 6x6 to go with the brads. Okay. And this is the double-sided, 24 sheets double-sided. This one as well is 24 sheets double-sided. Okay. And, yep, double-sided. Fun. And then here is the collection kits. Now this is Vroom. So that's going to be cute for a little boy theme. And this is the whole collection kits there. So there's cut-aparts and then the papers. So that's going to be fun. Oh, okay. Yankee Doodle. And this is Echo Park 2025. Okay, so that Vroom was 2025 as well. Oh, this is fun. And you know, I don't have any like patriotic papers in my stash. I don't think at all. So I am super excited for this. Super excited. That is fun. And then this one is Farmer's Market, Echo Park 2021. But look, the colors look really, really nice. Nice and vibrant. So cute. And this is by Lori Whitlock. And I'm pretty sure I do not have anything from the Farmer's Market. I think I've got the Summer's Market. I may have some of the Sunflower Market. But I don't think I have any of this one. I really don't think I do. So this is exciting. And then, last but not least, Santa Claus. Okay, so I got me a whole thing of Santa Claus. That is so fun. That is really fun. So, Santa Claus, I got the collection kits. I have a 6x6. And hey, this is Christmas, so I'm going to throw that there. And then the brads, the decorative brads. So that's the whole kit there. So I'll keep all of that together. I don't think I have anything else with these kits, but I know I have something with that. I'm going to stick this under here with Christmas. At home, like I said, I think I do have, not that one, this one. The Have a Nice Day. I think I do have some stuff with that. That one. What else goes together, y'all? Let's take a trip. Have a nice summer. Oh, these two. Born to Travel. So I have the 6x6 and a sticker sheet. So those will go together. And I think I'm going to gift that. And our happy place, I think I have some of this. So this was fun. Y'all, I really like it. So tell me what you think. Did you get the mystery box? And I'm excited to start seeing the videos because I know that they're going to be coming to see if we got the same box. I know the last 2 times, I believe, the boxes was very similar. Not every single piece, but most pieces. So I'm excited for this go around. So let me know, did you get the box? So what do you think about my box? I'm going to have another haul week. So I have lots of haul videos to do. So I thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.